Hey guys, by now you probably have your mystery boxes and you've watched the reveal of the fragrances video, but I'm doing a third video here to talk to you guys about any discount codes that are available for the mystery box. We dropped the mystery box 2 weekends ago. It was a really big one. We had 30 samples. As you can see right here, we had 30 different samples, and then we also had a discovery set from Noya. So 30 totally different fragrance samples in a kit, mystery box kit for $59. So I'm going to talk to you about the discount codes. We don't have discount codes from every single brand, but I've got the discount codes in the info box. We'll eventually have added it on the website too. By the time this video airs, it might be up there. So and there's no specific order for these fragrances. So we're starting off with AFFINESSENCE. This is the one I've been reading first because this fragrance was shipped first. That's why I put it at the #1 spot. So AFFINESSENCE SAFRAN-NEROLI. There is a 10% discount code. I love this. This is such a unique smell. There's a 10% discount code, Sebastian10. The link is in the info box. You can check that out and take advantage of the discount code or discount for that fragrance. Now we've got the second fragrance, Pacific Rock Flower from Goldfield and Banks. Now they have a brand new fragrance, Tales of Amber, which I'm obsessed with. But this one's actually also good. A floral leaning flanker to Pacific Rock Moss. So there's no discount code for that. But I do have a link to a retailer. You can click there and go discover that fragrance. Now, the third fragrance is Atelier Materi Vanille Carbone, not Vanilla Carbone. It is quite a dark, smoky vanilla. I do have that link to ZGO Perfumery, and there's a 15% discount code there if you're in the market for that. Now, the fourth fragrance is Cave's White Amber. This is a clean amber, fruity, kind of floral amber. And we do have a 10% off of that as well. And it's linked in the info box. The link is there and a discount code is there as well. Then we've got a fragrance from the house of ELECTIMUSS London. It's Moroccan MEDJOOL. What do you guys think of that one? So that one, there's no discount code and it is linked in the info box to a retailer. So I'm working on a discount code for this one. This one's really good. This is Fildor #1. From LAURENT MAZZONE. Great smoky amber. Kind of sort of like the new Tales of Amber from Goldfield and Banks. Stay tuned for a discount code on that. I really love that one. And I definitely will get something for you guys. Then we've got THEODOROS KALOTINIS Tobacco Maniac. There is a discount code for this one listed in the info box. It's 10% off. So if you like that one, you can, and if you want to buy a bottle, you can always take advantage of the discount code that's in the info box. Next, I'm also working on a discount code for this. It's Jeroboam Kunamo. Really great fragrance. Super sexy, pear, juicy, musky. I'm working on something for that one as well. Stay tuned. I can't promise anything, but hopefully soon I'll be able to promise something. And then we've got Ormonde Jayne's Vetiveria. Nothing in the books yet, but hopefully soon I'll be able to get something. This is an 88 ml bottle. It's a really great spicy vetiver fragrance. Next, we've got a fragrance called HYDRA Fig from Miller Harris. I'm trying to get a discount for that as well. Stay tuned. I haven't been able to, unfortunately, but we'll do that soon. We've got Les Eaux Primordiales Ambre Supermassive. That is discounted. We've got a 15% discount code for that. It's in the info box. Great boozy, tobacco-ish amber. Kind of sticky, honeyed, and fruity. So we've got Éclectique from GRITTI, which we have a 10% discount code on. This next one's a very unique fragrance. It's COCCOBELLO from GLEAM. So there's a 10% discount code for this one. You can check in and find out in the info box. We've got a fragrance from the house of Lumari called EAUX. That was listed in the, that was in the mystery box. So that is 10% off. I have it linked in there. Same thing with the next one. It's Montale's Oud Sapparot. There is a little card in the box, by the way, which I forgot to mention in the announcement video. But let's see if I can find it. I want to go over that so you guys can participate. So you can just go and tell them about the scent at this QR code. So tell us and the world what you think. Leave a review on Sephora.com is what it says. Oops. Okay. Well, hope that doesn't fall. Then we've got Acro Breathe. It's interesting. I really love this. I don't know what it is about this one. Watery fragrances have been really interesting lately for me. It's slightly mineral-y as well, even though I didn't get it at first. I get it afterwards. But Breathe, I do have a discount code for Lucky Scent. It's 10% off. You can find that. The next fragrance, I don't have a discount code worked out yet, but soon. Stay tuned. As soon as we get it, I'll add all the discount codes that I don't have into the info box. You can also go to the website. So 1920, I'm sorry, this is Venezia 1920. It's Bellini. And there is a 10% discount code on this. It's the Perfume Guy 10. It's in the info box. Then we've got 2 L'Explicit. This one's yummy. I didn't know I was going to like bananas in fragrances. It is banana-ish, and it turned out that we have 2 banana-ish fragrances in the kit. These 2. So COCCOBELLO has a kind of a interesting strangeness about it that's unique, but I love it. It's very, very fun and playful. And then the L'Explicit gives me banana bread vibes, which I love. It's so yummy. We've got a fig fragrance that leans marine here from the House of Kirin, Pier, New York. There is a discount code for 10% off. We've got Yod Beer from Siam 1928, sorry. Great bottle. I love these Siam 1928 bottles. And there is a 10% discount code there. So I made a mistake last week and said never again, but this is never and again. Really, really delicious. Autumn-like gourmand. Kind of bready, sweet, soft, spicy. So it's lacquerly. I should have a discount code. There should be a discount code in the info box. It's 10% off. Click on to there. Then we've got Sarah Baker. Well, that's not the right one. Sarah Baker's Prism Head. I have a 15% discount code for that. Did you guys like this one? It is a bit out there. It's very earthy, mushroomy, geosmin, petrichor, and lots of patchouli. And then finally, we've got Eden by Adamo, and there's also a 10% off on this one as well. So now we're going to get to the Discovery Set by Noya. So Abyssal Odyssey. All of these have 10% off, so I have the discount codes in the info box. So Abyssal Odyssey is a favorite. Citrus Coast is also a favorite. And Ocean's Luminescence is also a favorite. So there's 10% off on these. So in addition to those, we also have Ancient Currents, Azure Reverie, and Jungle Serenity. I think my least favorites are... I think I liked 4. My least favorite is Azure Reverie. For some reason, it doesn't do it for me. But I think I even like Jungle Serenity. There's a lot. It's called the Aqua Collection. And all the info is back there. So yeah, we have 10% off on those fragrances. And that's about it. So let me know your thoughts on these fragrances. Did you enjoy anything specific? How did you experience the fragrances? Let me know. Add a comment below. And one thing I should say, which I didn't mention in the last video, the store is open. We have 4 OG Scent Club kits that are selling. We removed all of the individual samples that we had, but we have a team that's fulfilling while I'm in Europe, guys. So if you want to buy kits number 13, 14, 15, and 16, they're in the store selling right now. But if you want to buy any of the fragrances in these kits, as I said, they're all linked, and most of them have discount codes. Some will get discount codes very soon, and some, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get discount codes, which I tried. But thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for buying the kits. We sold out really fast on the mystery boxes. We did about 600, so there's a lot. Anyway, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please do list below. Please like this video. Please share it. Please also subscribe, if I didn't mention that already. Did I say that already? It's a busy day. So subscribe and click the bell icon and give a thumbs up for this video. See you guys later. Bye-bye.